My name is Pam Pryor, and I own Priorities Group, which is an accounting firm that focuses on bookkeeping, but also CFO services for entrepreneurs in a whole different way. My core mission is pretty big, and it's to help a much higher percentage of entrepreneurs succeed. Usually 95% of the businesses are going to fail in 5 years. When you look at what causes those failures, it is usually around cash flow. And the reality of it is, to succeed, you have to understand your cash flow. So my job is to make that approachable. For me to be able to work successfully with a client, they have to understand that they're in business to make money and that wealth in and of itself is not a bad thing. A lot of CFOs come in and lead with no. Like, oh, you want to do that? You can't do it. You don't have the money to do it. You don't know what you're doing. Let me fix this for you. Instead, I jump in the foxhole and listen and watch and learn everything about that business owner. And then I make sure we've got everything in place to support them. And then I sometimes have to smack them across the face and say, now it's time to grow up. You can't hide from this anymore. You can't do that as a business owner and succeed. Every client that I work with now gets a blueprint. Some people want a picture. Some people want a detailed project plan. So the blueprint takes a bunch of different formats. And on that blueprint are deliverables and success factors. The deliverables are the things we're going to provide, which sometimes they don't really care about. The success factors are the things they want to feel differently about in their business. When I hear from a client like I did last week, you have 10x'd the value of my business. That's the real goal here. For them, that might mean money. It might mean that now they've got more energy and time in their business, but we've added value at a 10x level. It's one of the things I strive for with every client. If you're watching this right now, you're probably ready for a blueprint because you take your business seriously and you've heard some things in how we talk about finances that make sense to you. You may work with us, you may not work with us, it doesn't matter, but I want you to have the blueprint. That's your path to success. You're in business to make money. Let's get the blueprint put in place to make sure you do it, you know it, and you're confident in it.